If you have ever actually wanted to try wood carving but didn't know where to start, this wood carving kit is actually a really good way to jump into it. What we liked about this right away is that it's not just a couple of tools thrown together. You get a good variety of different carving knives for rough shaping and detail work. Plus, you get multiple wood blocks to practice on right away. That part matters because you don't want to go hunt down extra supplies just to get started. And these knives themselves feel comfortable in the hand, they're sharp enough to carve cleanly without having to force anything, but they don't feel intimidating if you're new to whittling. I was able to make smooth cuts and fine details without feeling like I was fighting the tool. As you can tell here, it's just going to slice right through, clean and clear like butter. I really appreciate having the different detail knives also. It makes a huge difference when you're trying to carve smaller shapes or add texture. Instead of using one blade for everything, you can tell this kit was put together with beginners and hobbyists in mind. The wood blocks are great for practice, nothing fancy, but perfect for learning cuts, shaping, and getting a feel for the tools. It's the kind of kit that encourages you to actually sit down and start carving instead of overthinking it. Overall, this feels like a well-rounded starter kit. It's also useful once you've learned the basics. It's great for relaxing, creative time, and it would honestly make for a really nice gift for anyone interested in do-it-yourself hobbies, crafting, or working with their hands. If you want to try wood carving without overcommitting or buying something separately, this kit makes it easy and enjoyable to go ahead and get started.